Opening box number 3. We had some good hits. First box was a Cooper Flag box. Second box was a VJ box. And I did get my first number to 250. And I got a gold one in the first one, so I got 2 numbered cards so far. And let's see what this one brings here. What is this one going to be? What kind of box is this one going to be? So we got a VJ box, a Cooper Flag box. What's this box going to be? Austin Reeves, 8-bit baller. Jace Richardson. Topps shiny. My boy Larry Bird. John Stockton. Pack number 2. So we got us a shiny one in here. Fox Porter. 80 Vanderbilt. Oh, we got a backwards Julius Erving. Oh, a pink one. I never seen this one before. Pink. I don't know what that means. Oh, it must mean a pink Julius Erving. Oh, okay. But it's not numbered though. We got us a shiny power players. I guess it's just a regular power players. Igor. And then we got us a rookie Cedric Howard. So we got us a pink one again. But it's the wrong pink. I guess Julius Erving's a hell of a player. We'll take him as a pink. Alright. Ooh, we got us a Liam Neely Generation Now. Who's this? Border. Max Christie. I got no rookies in that one. That's the first time. No rookies. Alright. Oh, we got us some. Looks like an 8-bit baller in here. Tyrese Proctor. Throwback. Bit baller. So we got us a shiny Hornets. Go get this one autographed. Let's see here. So 2 rookies. Alright, not too much yet. Pink one. Julius. We got us a Chet and a Stockton and the other one backwards. Let's see what we got here first. We got us a hologram Chet. Backwards. Oh, we got us a shiny 8-bit baller Stockton. Shannon Sharp. Topps Border. Isaiah. So we got our shiny and our pink on this one, but not numbered. What are we gonna have next? We ain't got a VJ or a flag or an ace yet on these box so far. We got us a Clutch City Trey. And we got a VJ shiny. Alright. 2 boxes, 2 VJs of shiny Topps Border. Down to 3 packs. There's my boy Ace Bailey on the back. Hopefully he's nice and glittery. Backwards Jeremy Fears. see. Alright, so we got him. Jeremy Fears. So we got back-to-back Jeremy Fears. 8-bit baller. And a throwback. Topps border. Joan Behringer rookie. Okay. And here's our boy Ace. Down to 2 packs here. So I don't think there's going to be any hits here because we've already got a bunch of stuff here. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see here. AD. Backwards. Oh, we got an Ace Bailey there. So we got us a hologram tied. Generation Now. Backwards rookie Will Riley. Magic. I wonder why they didn't have Jordan in this. No, these people that should have had Jordan in the last pack. No Herelic, no auto. Who do we got here? We got us a Ball, Trey Young, Reed Shepard. Backwards. Oh, we got us a Dylan Harper, boys and girls. Jamar Watkins. There we go. Power player. Spud Webb. Shiny. And 1 rookie. All right, that's it, boys and girls. So I'd say this best card is probably the Dylan Harper rookie and maybe the Fears. The pink Julius Erving is pretty nice. Yeah. Pretty meh box. I don't think we didn't come out ahead in that one. That's the end.